careful of this little spring. I don't know how many springs I have lost. I'll put the spring on the lock first. Then I'll loop it through the black hook on the base. It's better to make the small spring loaded, so I'll put it in the lock position. I'll use the piece of a rubber band to help me to put the lock. Here's what the assembly looks like. And I'm going to slide in. Pay attention to that little wheel. Make sure that little wheel is connected to the assembly and can transfer the power to the assembly. When you hear a click, and you can remove the rubber band.